the end of this video, we'll take a look at MadRamp's innovative pivoting ramp system, the safer, easier way to transport your ATVs and snowmobiles. Stick around.
Look at those beautiful masterpieces. What's up, guys? How's it going? Guess who's back? I'm back. We got this brand new pre-owned Dodge. Got it off the Kijiji. Got the quad going. You know, she had a long winter. Brad didn't get to ride it too much, so it took about 10 minutes to start. And, you know, we've done the easy quad load in the past, you know, where we bend down, jerk the back. That's the right way to do it, but I traded one of the cars in for scrap the other day, and I went and bought some new ramps. It was time. I had those ramps for like 15 years. They were time to go. So I'm gonna show you guys the safe way to do it. Safe way to load a quad. I even put straps underneath. Like that is over and above for the ginge here. So yeah, I started my own plumbing service. Got some new magnets. Just slap her over the old rental sign here. Good to go. All right. So I guess I just do it, right? Yeah. So hopefully this thing starts. She likes a little butt shake to start. Just gotta turn the key on too. 80% of the time. Every time. Now that's how it's done, boys. She is loaded and locked. Oh. See, that's how we do it with the old Freeman compound here. It's way safer than lifting it, ruining your knees, ruining your back. It's highly recommended to go this route. So anyways, oh, I'm just glad the old tailgate didn't snap off. These cords aren't, you know, they're not the best. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Refer to the other easy quad load videos if you want to do it, you know, the old way. But no one does it the old way anymore. So yeah, have a fantastic day. Subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
It's the ultimate combination of simplicity and ingenuity. The newest way to load, unload, and transport your ATV or UTV. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Made in the USA and engineered for strength and durability. Maneuver through tight places and over rugged terrain with plenty of ground clearance. No licensing, no ongoing maintenance costs, and no storage hassles like trailers. Won't slip or move like conventional ramps. Free up more cargo space in the bed of your truck. Securely connects to your truck's receiver hitch. Easily extends for safe loading and unloading. Seamlessly retracts for highway and off-road travel. DOT approved in all 50 states and Canada. Quickly disconnects in under a minute. A unique space-saving storage system. The Mad Ramps Pivoting Ramp System. Go farther. Go faster. Go safer.
When you order using the link in the description, I'll send you 3 free vintage snowmobile DVDs. When you order using the link in the description, I'll send you 3 free vintage snowmobile DVDs. If you run a small business, you know that everyone is on Facebook today. You also know that there are thousands and thousands of Facebook users living within 10 to 50 miles of your business location. If you're like a lot of people, you've created a Facebook page that has only a few hundred fans and very little engagement when you post on it. If this is the case for you, your Facebook page is not earning its keep. There is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. Or maybe you are spending a lot of time posting your offers in free marketplace groups and you are disappointed with the response you're getting. If this is the case for you, there is a better way to generate sales and leads for your business on Facebook. If you are frustrated with Facebook, or if you lack the time or expertise to market your business on Facebook, consider outsourcing it to me. I have short-term and long-term marketing strategies. At least one of them is sure to be right for your business, and my rates are surprisingly affordable. Here are just a few of the services I offer. I can create a video just like this one to promote your product or service. You supply the digital images and I take care of the rest. Once your video is finished, we can run a paid campaign to put it in front of thousands of targeted Facebook users who live within 10 to 50 miles of your business. I can manage your Facebook page and grow it by at least 1,000 new Facebook users every month. These are Facebook users that can be targeted by age, gender, location, and interests. I can make regular daily posts to your Facebook page, and each of these posts will include a description of your offer, your telephone number, and a link to your website. Let's face it, everyone is on Facebook today. If you are not effectively utilizing this incredible marketing tool, you are missing out on an incredible opportunity. Click the link for a free consultation or call me. My name is Mike at 480-626-0055. Thanks for viewing this message and have a great day.